Sorry about the background noise. There's a lot of people here at the campground. We're going to do an unboxing of the Weboost Drive 4G-X RV 50. We have an Amazon one that we installed about 2 years ago, and it doesn't do a real good job. So we're going to try the Weboost and see how it goes. So let's see what's inside here, get it all unpackaged, and then we'll go through and do an install video. Little directions. User manual. You got box A and box B. Box A. Got the Wilson antenna, the outdoor antenna. The installation hardware and the bracket. Step 2, 3, 6, and 8 is in the second box. Got zip ties and stickers. Your coax cable, power supply, second power supply, and a hole saw. Step 4 and 5. Step 4 and 5 is the module itself. And then mounting hardware for that. And then the final box is 7. Inside antenna to booster. And that is the inside antenna with the coax going back to the booster. Okay, we've now moved to the top of the camper. Our old cellular booster was mounted on the ladder. And now we're going to move it up on our antenna to get a little more height. What we ended up doing was taking the U-bracket, putting it through the brace that holds the antenna on. We'll mount 2 screws here. We're going to come through. I'll pop it right through here, follow the same cable through into the inside. I'll show you that in a minute. What we'll end up doing is after it's all in there, we'll seal this up with caulk or RTV. We'll put the cap back down and we'll reseal it here, so we got airtight and watertight connection. Okay, so I'm going to cut the boot to open it up a little more, give me a little more room. Do not cut all the way through into your coax cable, or you'll be replacing that too. Keep it as tight as possible, slip that by. Modern day walkie-talkies. Can you see it?
What?
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's off to the side.
Okay. Which way do I need to go? Passenger side or driver side?
the front of the camper. It needs to come back about an inch. Hang on, play it right over the hole. Give me a minute.
Okay, we've now pulled the booster cable through the antenna. And what we'll end up doing is cutting a hole up in here. And then we'll fish a piece of wire up through over to here and grab a hold of it, pull the cable over to there. We'll actually drill a hole in that side into this cabinet. We'll run it across from here down to there. We'll drill another hole back there, run it over top of the microwave, and we'll end up mounting the unit right there. Right there's a power outlet for us. And then the external or the inside antenna will run along here along the side, and we'll drop it out over here. It'll be mounted like right in this area, so at least we get some outside and then also on the inside, and for our Roku and everything.
Is this the wraparound?
Yeah. We'll take a little bit of electrical tape, put it up here and take it off.
Is it still videoing you?
I believe so. Drill a hole in the back cabinet into this cabinet.
You already cut a hole on that side?
Well, the microwave already has one over here.
Oh.
We got the hole coming through. Got a cable tied up around. I'll caulk that hole there. We'll caulk these holes. It actually comes around. Goes out there. Goes over top of our microwave. Got that cable tied. All the excess will be over top of the microwave. And we'll mount the box right in there. So this is our outside cable to the outside antenna. A wrench on that, snug the cable tight. We're locked in. Now we have one more hole to drill. I'll drill it back here, and that'll be for the indoor antenna. So we'll coil up the extra back here. We'll run down under here. I make a big loop here and run it, tuck it up underneath here. And we'll actually stick our antenna right here. What that'll do is allow us to have, if we want to set it outside, we just take that loop off there and take it right out the door and set it down. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the Weboost install. This was the booster that we had bought off of Amazon. I think we gave 125 or 150 a couple of years ago. Some people gave it good reviews, some people didn't. Said it was for Verizon Cellular, so I'm like, how bad can it be? We don't do a lot of out west camping. You know, we just need something with a little better signal strength. Did not work. We installed the Weboost 3 days ago. Phenomenal speeds on it. We can pull up Netflix, we can stream without any issues. We turn off the Weboost, we get a lot of spotty service. My wife was talking about on our Snapchat, it would take a while for it to send. Sometimes it would take up 15-20 minutes to send a Snapchat. As soon as we turned the Weboost on, it was instant. She's seamless. She hits send and it goes. So we are very happy with the Weboost install. May do an update over 6 months, a year from now, see if we're still happy with it. My wife can do her job remotely. We have not done that yet, so we'll see how her upload speeds are that way, and we'll get back with you. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you find it informative. Thank you. Bye.